Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Fun to drive, easy to park, this Trax simplifies your life and helps you explore your adventurous side. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Chevrolet MyLink voice activation, rear lip spoiler, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection calls it a smart package for city dwellers who value practicality over power or style. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.